Wow, it's so windy, Ivan.
It's not,
Is it tornado coming soon?
no, it's not cumulonimbus cloud.
What?
It's just a heavy wind.
Oh, just heavy rain? How do you know? Why it's not tornado? I think tornadoes might be coming, see?
Because it's not disaster.
It's not disaster. Look at the cloud. Look at the cloud up there.
I'm big one.
Is it the cumulonimbus, the cloud that you said?
Yeah.
Have a look at up there, up there. 看上面那边，那个是不是 cumulonimbus cloud 啊？是吗？
Yeah.
黑色的哇！
Two.
你不是说那个 cumulonimbus cloud 是黑色的吗？不是这样的是吗？ Ivan, is this the cumulonimbus you said? Does it look like a cumulonimbus?
Yes.
Yes? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is what we call cumulonimbus. Are you sure? Yes?